Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make the toasted rice or ข้าวคั่ว This recipe very simple and easy. It's only few ingredients, and I use a lot in my sauce or sometimes in my cooking or salad. So I already have a lot of questions the how I make a toasted rice. So today I'm going to show you just a few ingredients. I have like 5 tablespoons the jasmine rice, 5 tablespoons the sweet sticky rice, and I have the kaffir lamb leaf and also the lemongrass. So let's get started. Okay, first I have the medium heat, and I use the 5 tablespoons jasmine rice, and then I use the 5 tablespoons sweet sticky rice. You can use only the sticky rice, or you can use only the jasmine rice. Okay, but I not recommend to use long grain rice because we want. Yeah, it's yours. I know. Let mommy working. Let mommy working. Okay. Okay. Let mommy working. Let mommy working, and mommy play with you. Let mommy working. Okay. Yeah. Let mommy working. Okay. Sorry because the baby. So I just like stop and the halfway whatever I'm doing. Okay, so in the medium heat, so I put up 5 tablespoons sweet sticky rice and 5 tablespoons the jasmine rice, and you're gonna have to keep stirring them because you want them to be like even, cooking even. Okay, we're gonna have to now next we're going to have to put the herb. So I put the kaffir lamb leaf. I used 5 kaffir lamb leaf. And then I use 1 stick the lemongrass. Try to thinly, try to cut them small, so they.
Zoe, quit.
Fuck with all this thing. Stop it, Zoe.
Somebody's at the door, yeah?
I don't know. Okay, sorry. Simple and easy recipe, but a lot of accident, baby and a dog. I know this is not already past the New Year, but I just want to wish you guys a happy New Year, and I wish all the good thing in this year for you. And this is my new apron too. This is this recipe and the video is kind of easy, and so I have a chance to talk with you more. So the apron that I show you, this is I got a gift from the Christmas from my brother-in-law, and then this is say the family. So ครอบครัว in mean the family but in Thai language. So this is very very nice. Okay, so keep the close eye from your toasted rice because it will getting medium heat, but they will get burned very fast if you not keep mixing them. Okay, so just have to keep mixing them. And then also you can use just one rice. You can use just only jasmine rice, or you can use just only the sweet sticky rice. I not recommend the long grain rice because they not have the sticky texture. Okay, we need the sticky texture, and all the herbs when you toast it with the rice, it will help your toasted rice smell really good. And also if you make a lot, when you blend it, when you grind it, when you make a lot, you can put inside the freezer too. This is so it keep it longer, keep it fresh and longer. Okay, so now easy, but it take the time now being about 5 minutes. I cooking them on the medium low heat. As you can see, the color start getting changed, but it's not ready yet. And also not try to be hurry, like cook them faster with the high heat because the herb is not gonna remove all the moist from the herb, we have to slow cook. If you put the high heat, the herb is gonna burn, and then also inside it's not gonna be dry and remove all the moist. So if it happens, you cannot keep the toasted rice. It will getting moist, or you cannot keep it for a long time. Okay, but if you slow cooking and let all the moisture come out from the herb, you can keep it for a long time, and also it will be taste better too with all the essential oil from the herb. Okay, so keep mixing them, and then I'm sorry about the sound when I'm making the sound like this in the video. I know it's not really nice, but you just have to keep mixing them until the color getting changed into the caramel, the brown, getting a lot of brown color, golden brown. So okay, now I think I get there. You can look at the color. Okay, just for be safe, I'm going to turn off the heat first because I don't want them to be burned. As you can see, the color now start getting brown, and being about 20 minutes. Keep mixing them for 20 minutes. Okay, and then and now I'm gonna let our toasted rice cooling down before we come back for the next step. Okay, while we wait for our toasted rice to cool down, so we can talk about our toasted rice a little bit more, what I use with them. So if you follow me and if you see some of my recipe that I using the sauce, I only like to put the toasted rice to making like smoky flavor, and also take it up your sauce a little bit. So but sometimes I didn't show you on the video how to make it. Yes, baby. And then so today is a good day, so I have a chance to show you. And also this toasted rice put inside the pork salad, the very famous for the Thai food pork salad, the one with the ground pork with the mint, or sometimes the ground chicken with the mint. So we put this toasted rice inside there, and then it can be some more another recipe that people use the toasted rice inside the ingredient too, inside the recipe too. And also this one I'm going to show you, this one that I'm making like maybe last week, and I put them, I have a leftover, and then I just keep them in the freezer, and they're just okay. And the favorite the good thing about keeping into the freezer, so you make sure it stay fresh and taste didn't change a lot. Okay, so I just want to let you know you can put in the container or the jar and leave them in the freezer. Okay, now we're gonna park here, and you're gonna let mommy finish the recipe. Is okay? Yeah. Okay. So all right, so when we wait for our rice to cool down, we have a chance to talk a little bit about this recipe, and also have a chance to play with the baby. All right, so today I'm going to go with the easy way. So I'm gonna use the blender to blend our rice. Okay, I'm gonna put have to be careful. Okay, gonna put in here. If you make a lot, you can do like a half at a time, but I think this is okay to do just all one time. It's not really a lot. So okay. So in the old way or in the traditional, we use a mortar and pestle to grind all the rice. So, but this now we have just a blender, so it will be a lot easier. So okay. Okay, that's it. It's a lot easier with the blender. Alright, let me show you. This is what gonna look like. It look really good. It's easy, but it just take time. So that's why sometimes when I do the yes, baby. Okay. You want to talk too? So I think I'm gonna finish the video over here with the baby too. You want to smell it? It smells good. Okay, so that's why it's easy recipe, but take time. That's why sometimes when I do the recipe, do the sauce inside the video, I didn't show you how to make a toasted rice because I already have it on the container. I already make it extra. Alright, this one, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe, and thank you so much, and Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, and if you like it, just give me a thumb up. Okay, let me put her down. Okay, alright. So if you like the video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.